In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional-looking concept map using Canva. Whether you're organizing your thoughts for a project, planning a presentation, or simply brainstorming ideas, a concept map can be an incredibly useful tool. And with Canva's user-friendly platform, you can create one that's not only functional, but also visually appealing. To get started, you'll want to open Canva. If you haven't already signed up, it's quick and free, so no worries there. Once you're in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the screen. This is a great tool for finding exactly what you need amidst Canva's plethora of design options. Type in Concept Map and browse through the vast selection that appears. Canva offers a wide range of templates, so take your time to explore and see what fits your needs best. You have the flexibility to pick a design that resonates with your style, whether that's minimalist, colorful, or something in between. Once you've found a template that you like, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a preview, allowing you to get a closer look at how it's laid out. If it feels like the right fit, click Customize this template. This option allows you to tweak and personalize the template to make it your own. Now comes the fun part, the customization. Canva gives you a variety of tools to modify the design, so feel free to change the text. Whether you're adding topics, subtopics, or any other information, ensure it aligns with the purpose of your concept map. You can even get creative and add elements if you feel like the design could benefit from a bit more flair. This could include icons, images, or shapes that enhance the clarity and aesthetic of your map. As you're making these changes, remember that customization is key to making the concept map truly effective for your purposes. Make sure it's clear and easy to understand, and let your personality shine through the design choices. Take your time to experiment with different fonts, colors, and layouts until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're happy with your customized concept map, it's time to solidify all your hard work. Look for the download button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this will allow you to save your map as a file on your computer, be it a PDF, PNG, or any format that works best for you. And there you have it, a professional-looking concept map, ready to help you present your ideas with clarity and style. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this process as enjoyable and easy as it's meant to be.